This is the MegaXmar car battery jump starter. This is one of those jump boxes that I'm going to be really happy to keep in the back of my car for emergency situations. I love these things. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are going to be my own. Let me show you what you get with this. Came in really nice packaging right here. I mean, this is a really nice case. It's a zippered case. It's all protected. It's a hard case. You get a set of instructions in here, cables themselves that you'll attach to the machine, and I'll show you that, and I'll also hook this up on the car. And you get a charging cable with this because it is a rechargeable device, and it's also a power pack in case you need one out when you're out on the road. The device itself is about the size of a multimeter, about 6.5 inches long and a little over 3 inches wide, a little over an inch thick. Easily fits in the palm of your hand when you're ready to use it. And while you've got it hooked up, it also gives you the steps and the instructions right here on the back of the unit. Nice hard plastic design on here. It's got some grips on the sides. We have a power button right here. We have 2 lights on the top, 400 lumen lights that will light up, which is also a good feature too, if you're out there at night. This opens up right here to give you access to plug in your booster cable connections. On this side, we have another silicone cover which exposes the input right here, which is a Type-C. You just plug that in and you can see it tells you something's been plugged in and we're recharging the device right now, and it tells you the percentage that you're at. And this is a really nice LED screen. It's easy to read. It's large enough where it's not a problem at all, and you can see it in the daylight. I'll show you that outside. And also on this side, you have 2 USB outs in the event that you should need to charge your phone or something if you're out on the road. And it also has a compass on top of here, I guess. So if you're stranded out in the wilderness and you want to know what direction you're going, there you go. You got a compass right there. So something like this is going to be good for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, RVs, tractors, pretty much any 12-volt vehicle battery. It does not work with dry cell batteries, and you're going to want to make sure that you read through all of the instructions before using it so that you can go through all the safety points that they've listed on here. That's always a good idea with anything that's electrical, right? And the instructions have pictures on here, so pretty easy to figure out. This thing will push 1500 amps into the car to jump it. You just plug it in. You can see that the green light is blinking. That knows it's connected to the device solidly, and it is ready to be attached to the car. Once you do attach it to the car, it'll go solid. If the light blinks red or beeps, you know you've got the polarity reversed, meaning you've got the red where the black is supposed to go and the black where the red is supposed to go. They've got it color coded, so you know where to put it on your car. You can see that the cable connections on here, plenty of room to reach the terminals without an issue at all. And in the daylight, when I turn this on, I have no issues at all seeing this large LED display. I was always taught to connect the negative first. You can see the clamps are large enough to fit around the terminal cable on the largest point. I've also got it connected down here. You know, the tube that comes out of there works pretty good. So it's just a matter of starting your car. When you've had this in your car for months and you've forgotten everything that was in the instructions, you can just refer to this easy to use guide right here on the front. Pretty awesome. This can be used as a car booster all the way down to 20% of a charge on here. According to the instructions, which you're going to want to read, when you do use this, you want to, try no more than 4 times, and you're going to crank it no more than 6 seconds. And if after 4 times it doesn't work, there's obviously an issue that's bigger than it needing a charge, and you're going to have that looked at by a mechanic or whoever. It will heat up during use, so you're going to want to let it cool down in between uses. So some of the best things for me about this jump box is that it's powerful and it's portable. I can easily store this unit in my emergency kit gym bag that I keep in the hatch of my car and have it available if the need should ever arise. Awesome little case it comes in too. I like this.